Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sashoni. Today we're going to talk about coronavirus. I'm going to give you guys an update. So currently I don't even know what the specific numbers are in Japan. I think it's about 800, but then again the government is not testing everyone or people who are actually sick, so we're not completely certain what the numbers are today, but it's recorded at about 800 on the world meter tracker thingy. Schools are still closed in some areas. So in my area, the Kanagawa, well specifically the Yokohama area, schools are still closed. But yesterday I heard that another area in Japan, they actually reopened today because there are no cases in that area. But for Yokohama location, schools are closed until the 24th. On the 25th, school will reopen for 2 hours. That's for my school. So my specific school, my teacher told me that school will reopen on the 25th for 2 hours, and then the students will have to go back home. Pretty much this year has completely finished for the students, because in Japan the school year ends in March and begins in April. Teachers have to go to work, have to report to work, or else you're not going to get paid. That's a sad reality for us as ALTs. So every day we're out risking our lives. We have to go or else we're not going to get paid. Yesterday I actually used the thermometer that my company sent to me for the first time. My temperature was 36 degrees something Celsius. Yeah, so I'm supposed to check it every day, but I don't have time in the morning to be checking my temperature. No, I know when I'm sick, so yeah. And I'm taking the necessary precautions to prevent myself from getting sick, which I've always been doing from before, so this is nothing new. Like, I always wash my hands when I just come in, when I'm gonna eat, all kind of stuff like that. But I have increased wearing the mask, so that's the only thing. Like, I usually wear the mask when I'm on the train, like most times, but now I wear the mask like all the time. It's actually business as usual to some extent, because some people are working from home while others have to report to work, like myself. I have to go to work. The trains are not as crowded as they usually are. That's my observation in the Yokohama area. I went to Tokyo a couple days ago and it was not as crowded as it usually is at the peak hours. So I guess a lot of people are staying home or staying away from taking public transportation. I don't know, because you might find that Japanese people who drive, my phone is low, you might find that Japanese who drive, they actually take the train, and you won't even know that they drive unless there's like a natural disaster, like a typhoon, and the trains stop running and you see they drive to work. I'm just speculating, I don't know, but there are not many people in the train. That the trains are still packed, but it's not as packed as it usually is at peak hours from my observation. Anyway, so on a lighter note, I need to think back. Is there anything else I need to tell you guys? Like, I don't know when school reopens, but like I said, school is officially closed in my area. Reopens on the 25th of March for 2 hours. I guess they're gonna do like a closing ceremony for the school, the usual traditional stuff, and then kids have to go back home. And then for April, I don't know when it's gonna reopen. The tissue situation now, like, I have not been able to get any tissue. Luckily I already had like a 12-pack, because they only sell 12 packs here or more. So I bought the 12-pack and I have a lot left, so that's a good thing for me. I bought groceries a couple weeks ago and I still have a whole lot of food left because it's just me alone. I still have my 2 cases of water plus other water that I bought from the convenience store. Okay, so now to the good stuff. Today I was at work and I decided, like, okay, let me check my mailbox, because the ATs, which are like assistant English teachers, foreigners, pretty much foreigners who teach English in public schools, at my school there is a whole mailbox for me, which I did not find out until a couple months after, maybe 1 year after being at the school. Can you imagine? That just shows how big of a communication issue it is at my school. But I love my school otherwise from that, but it's just that I am pretty much left on my own 99.9% of the time. Why I don't usually check it is because usually there are a lot of brochures in there, and the brochures are all in Japanese. So like if there's anything that I need to know, I might not know, but on the day I might find out. So that's how I live. Anyway, so I checked it today, which I don't usually check it often, and I found this bag. So I had to go to one of my teachers and ask if this is mine, because I'm like, where the heck did this come from? So apparently all the teachers got masks, and I am there like the idiot did not know that I got mail. So I have a whole, I have seven of them. I counted it. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, yeah, 7. So everyone got, all the teachers got masks from the school. So I can't stop wearing my Jamaican mask to work because too much attention. I can't bother people looking at me like, which I don't really care because I need to protect myself. So yeah, I got mask. I'm not gonna really use them up because I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get another pack. I don't know. But anyway, so I think that's it. That's all I have for you about the coronavirus. Let me know if y'all have any questions. It's very sunny today, but it's so bipolar. It was snowing like 2 hours ago. I went to the tax office earlier because I had to do my tax refund, and it was snowing when I was in the train station. Or so I would have taken like a video, but it was too late. And now when I got back home, it's now sunny. Like, what's going on? But I'm gonna show you guys outside. So it's a beautiful day. I got this flower pot, so now I have to take care of flowers. Lucky me. Can you tell me what's the name of this plant? Because I don't know. Honestly don't know. I need to research like how often I need to water it. Anyways guys, please remember to thumbs up this video. Please comment if you have any questions or anything you want to say. You can leave it in the comment section below. Cool. And subscribe to my channel. I'm at 250 subscribers, so thank you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you guys for, you know, watching me, tuning in and watching my videos, because it means a lot to me. Hopefully I can reach 1,000 subscribers pretty soon. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.